morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. I've got my morning espresso. Let's get into XRP because I haven't done an update for this in a while. Stick around. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're doing well and staying safe out there. I've had my morning espresso. Sorry, I was up late last night because I had that late night coffee yesterday. Just wanted to say a huge thank you to every single one of you out there who have subscribed to the channel. It really means a lot to me. This community is growing, so thank you very much. Just wanting to say, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love documenting my journey with investing. As you can see here, come along on this incredible journey. I document my investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, all kinds of stuff to build financial freedom and, most importantly, generational wealth, which is my end game right now. So little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and due diligence. Be very careful with any of this stuff. It can be extremely risky and volatile. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt, so please do your own research. Use websites, Masari.io, Luna Crush, Reddit, Medium is a great blogging app, Twitter, YouTube, obviously, like you're doing now. Google everything. Get confident with investing with any of this stuff, and once you are confident, then make a decision to jump in and go from there. All right, so just be careful. Also, before I start, I have noticed a huge amount of bots in the comments below. It is really annoying. I see them obviously using my display image up here, and it's not me. I will never ask you for a WhatsApp or to send me a text on WhatsApp or to join a Telegram group. Please don't respond to them. It's not me. I try to remove them as quick as I can, but it gets quite hard sometimes. But just be careful. Report it. Mark it as a spam or bots. It's not me. All right, guys? Just be careful. Let's get into today's video, and it is about Ripple. I said the other day, actually 2 days ago in my last video, that the crypto market is actually on sale. I strongly believe that, everyone out there, spreads so much fear on social media, TikTok, Reddit. Everyone was stressing and had the paper hands, as they say, and sold out. I didn't say anything about, this market was going to crash. I took this as an opportunity to buy the dip. I really do believe this, and I'll just make a quick point in relation to Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially with Bitcoin. I was listening to an article, an interview with BitBoy, actually crypto. BitBoy is great. It's a great channel. I really enjoy his videos and content. But there was an interview today that he put up about 6-7 hours ago. They're obviously saying that, well, they're not saying that it's going away. Essentially, the big financial institutions are getting involved with cryptocurrencies now. There's too many people out there, like hedge funds, banks, major investors, company CEOs that are buying into crypto. They're starting funds like ETFs with cryptocurrencies, especially with Bitcoin now. They're saying it's a great asset to hold. There's just so many people out there that are involved with cryptocurrency. This is not going away, guys. So this is the reason why I said in my video the other day that, not to worry, and I'm buying the dip and cryptos are on sale. In actual fact, they were. Dramatically, it was an opportunity of a lifetime. I have, even now, today, XRP, and this is the coin I'm talking about today, he's up to 91 cents. I bought it down at 83 cents. When I first bought XRP, it was up at $2. So to see this now still at 91 cents is a great buying opportunity. Obviously, with any of this stuff, please do your own research and be careful. Don't take what I say as financial advice, but I'm genuinely saying that, there's institutions out there that spread a lot of fear and uncertainty and doubt, obviously FUD, and people act on that and they sell their cryptocurrencies because they don't want to lose. But you've got to have diamond hands. You've got to be very strong mentally, and you've just got to be positive with this stuff. You've got to stay in the market as long as you can. And I put a quote up the other day on my wall, actually: be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. So that's Warren Buffett. And I put that up there for a reason on my wall, because it's true. If you're not in the market, you're not going to see these gains. And you see cryptocurrencies over the last few years, 3 years, the prices have gone upwards. They're not going down, they're going up, because more people out there are adopting these cryptocurrencies. They're not, obviously still there's a huge percentage of the world that are not using cryptocurrencies, but you've got countries even now that are adopting cryptocurrencies, like El Salvador. As I said, you've got CEOs, you've got banks, financial institutions, hedge funds, CEOs, all kinds of things that are, adopting cryptocurrencies now. So it's not going away. And one of them I just want to talk about is XRP, because this project is insane right now. It's just one of these projects that's seriously going to change the way banking and financial institutions transact money across the world. I said that in my last videos, this is going to change the world, and it's just pending a decision from the SEC. As I said, it's down to 91 cents at the moment, and as you can see in the last week, let's have a look here quickly. It dropped down to 72 cents AUD. That is insane. That is incredible. This is obviously because Bitcoin determines the rest of the market. Bitcoin dropped below 30,000. People saying it was going to crash. That only lasted 18 hours. 18 hours. If you look at TradingView, you can see the 18-hour gap that Bitcoin crash lasted, and it just skyrocketed back up from there. And today, Bitcoin obviously is trading at 46,000 AUD. This is in Australian dollars. I use CoinSpot. There's a link below if you want to use it. We both can get $10 in Bitcoin, but XRP is available on CoinSpot here in Australia. It is not available overseas on Coinbase or Binance at the moment because of this case with the SEC. So I'll get into an update with regards to that. Let's have a look here. Where are we here? Where's my Internet Explorer here? Here we go. I'm just going to read you this now, and this is unbelievable, this case, because it just keeps dragging on like it's getting ridiculous now. But this is an interesting one. Ripple serves a deposition subpoena on a former SEC official to testify in XRP case. Now this is going to be interesting. Ripple has attempted to question the former SEC member under oath by serving a deposition subpoena. Although the identity of the ex-SEC official has not been revealed, the securities regulator has filed a motion to quash the request. Why? Because this gets interesting. Keep listening. Given the level of involvement in the case, the former SEC chairman Jay Clayton would be likely be the candidate. So the legal battle between the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) and the Ripple Labs continues as the blockchain firm requests to bring a former SEC member to testify. The securities regulator initially sued the cross-border remittances firm for its sales of XRP as an unregistered securities offering. It's not a security. A security is like a stock. You know, you're buying a stock, you have the voting rights to, the board members, the what the company does, auditors, accountants, all kinds of stuff. You don't have those voting rights with XRP, so it can't be security. SEC attempts to quash Ripple's request, obviously because they know it's going to have a detriment to the case. As part of the latest development in the SEC versus Ripple case, the cross-border remittance firm served a deposition subpoena on former official of the securities regulator. The deposition request by Ripple stated that it aims to bring the former SEC member to the court, according to James Filan, an attorney familiar with this case. This means that Ripple wants to question under oath a deposition a former SEC official. Filan further added that the identity of the former SEC member remains unknown at this point. Former SEC chairman Jay Clayton, responsible for bringing the case against Ripple in December, would likely be the candidate. Imagine that. The guy that goes to sue Ripple is now against the SEC. Just ridiculous. Anyway, while XRP has been put on trial as the SEC claims that it is a security, Clayton has previously stated that the agency does not consider Bitcoin and Ethereum to be securities, but has not detailed how he has come to this conclusion. Since Clayton left the agency last year, he has since taken on a new position as a crypto advisor to a hedge fund. It's just unbelievable. It's just ridiculous. Seeking approval of the SEC for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. So he's gone and sued Ripple, but now he's going to start his own hedge fund. Ridiculous. The former chairman blocked every application for a Bitcoin ETF in the United States during his tenure, so obviously with his time at the SEC. It is important to note that several high-profile members have left the agency in recent months, and the subpoenaed figure could potentially be William Hinman, Saga Tiasha, forgive me if I'm saying that wrong, I can't pronounce it, Stephanie Avacane. Clayton remains the most likely candidate as the aforementioned members have had minimal involvement in the case. The SEC is now attempting to quash Ripple's subpoena. Filan added, the SEC objects to the deposition. The parties could not work out the differences, and they want MJ Netburn, the judge currently managing the Ripple and SEC case, to decide if that will happen. If it will happen, we do not know who the former SEC official is yet. Securities regulator filed a motion to quash the deposition request on June 24th. That is today in the USA, or last night. And Ripple is expected to file an opposition to the agency's motion to quash on July 1st, which is next week. So this is unbelievable, guys. I mean, they keep dragging this whole case through the mud. everything is pending a decision from this case, and I strongly believe that this case will settle towards the end of the year, if not early next year. I'm not involved in XRP in terms of, holding this short term. This is a long-term hold for me. As I said, if a decision or a settlement happens with this case, obviously because they've got that extension of time for the discovery, 60 days, which was issued last week, the September to October, they're going to have some more information then. I see a settlement happening around that period of time. And I've seen price predictions once this settles, to $100 to $200, if not more. Obviously, it's going to be relisted on Coinbase, Binance, all kinds of platforms that are going to relist, obviously because of the settlement that could potentially happen with this case. And I've seen price predictions if hedge funds and banks adopt the cryptocurrency, which I'll show you an article now, that the price can go up to $10,000 to $30,000 a coin, which is, it's not out of the question. You can't ever doubt cryptocurrencies here. So I'm going to show you an article quickly. Obviously, price prediction here. Let's just have a look here. Ripple price ready to move higher. So Ripple price dropped 35% between June 20 and June 22nd, but its recovery is equally swift and is currently knocking on crucial resistance level at 65 USD cents. If XRP price manages to shatter this barrier and flip into a support barrier, it will signal the start of an uptrend, which it already has had an uptrend today. In such case, investors can expect Ripple price to quickly climb 15%. To reset the 79% Fibonacci retracement level at 74 cents. Following a breach of this demand barrier, if the buying pressure persists, the bulls might target 78 cents and 82 cents. However, likely scenario will be a tight consolidation. So that's one point here. But one thing I want to show you here as well is the leading partners. And I said this before with regards to, institutions adopting cryptocurrencies. Well, I mean, every major bank around the world is currently using Ripple, which is incredible. Even here in Australia, NAB is using it, National Australia Bank, Westpac is using it, ING is using it. There's probably many others that I'm actually unaware of that are using it, but I'll just show you here. You can see here American Express, MoneyGram, PNC, Santander, SCB, SBI Remit, NIAM, Banco Rendimento, BTEC, Interbank, Pontiel, RIA. If you scroll down here, check this out. I'm just going to keep scrolling here because you're going to see Australia here. So you've got, obviously, look at this, Royal Bank of Canada. Keep going. DBS is a huge bank as well. The Ripple Rulebook. Have a look at these partners here. MUFG Bank, Bank of America, Merrill Lynch. Unbelievable. RBC is Royal Bank of Canada. You've got Santander. Keep going here. Standard Chartered. Keep going. Look at that. Westpac. Here in Australia, I use Westpac as well. So, I mean, look, that's huge. Roleplay by XRP. XRP is a cryptocurrency which provides the bank on-demand liquidity, a liquidity pool of XRP, which is used to source international pool for users of RippleNet. In many cases, after validation and confirmation of payments, the bank or the receiver is paid before getting a settlement from the payee's bank. The actual settlement occurs during a later time. This is how the system has worked for over the years, and even the transfer between customers takes 2 to 3 days, and I know this from personal experience. It's really annoying, the old system that they use. While RippleNet aims to solve this problem by confirmation of DB management, the XRP on-chain liquidity aims to provide instantaneous conversion and payment into fiat currency on demand. According to Ripple, it will help reduce the cost of banks by 40 to 60%. The banks are already using this technology. It's only a matter of time before they adopt the XRP cryptocurrency, which is going to happen. I strongly believe it. There's too much out there right now, and it's just obviously everyone's got a bit of FUD here because of this case. So let's see what happens with that. I'm going to quickly go on to their Twitter page here. They keep providing updates, which is great. An hour ago, stay tuned to our next ERG Spotlight featuring Head of Recruiting. So they update everyone here. Blockchain adoption is key to successful growth and strategy, and businesses are taking notice. Can you guess what percentage respondents said that their organization would consider using a digital asset? 99% have, 35% of the audience, 4,300 votes. So it's inevitable, guys. It's going to happen. It's just a matter of time, and you've got to be in the game to make sure you're there on that uptrend here. And I'll just quickly show you CoinMarketCap today. I'll just refresh it here. Sorry, I'll just wait for it to load. So in the last hour, it is up 0.66%, 88 cents, 89 cents. It's just gone up 4.13% in the last 24 hours, which is awesome. 22.71% in the last 7 days. It is down 30 days. It is down 33.8%. In the last 90 days, it is still up 22.15%. In the last year, it is up 231%. It ain't going to drop back to where it was at the beginning of the year, I can assure you. And all time, it is up 13,960%. The market cap is sitting at 40.913 billion. Circulating supply is 46 billion. Total supply is $99 billion. The trading volume is at $3.659 billion. So people are buying XRP. You can see that by the trading volume. And I'm just going to pull up the charts quickly here. Today, just wait for it to refresh. You can see here in May, just early April there, it was sitting at $2.30 AUD. I did buy around the $2 mark around here, which is, annoying to now see this today in June. What are we at today? 25th. It is sitting at 90 cents at the moment. It is on the uptrend, which is great. I have got the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average because everyone was talking about the death cross, and after that death cross, there was a crash in the market, which, it happened, but it was only lasted very quick. It didn't last long at all, and it's not going to last. I strongly believe that the market is going to recover. Prices of cryptocurrencies are going to go up, and everything's going to get a lot better and positive. Excuse me. You just have to stay positive in this market. You can't get paper hands. You've got to have diamond hands, and just buy the dip if you can. That's what I'm doing. But obviously you need to do your own research with that. Be very careful, please. But that's XRP today. This is one crypto that, is just waiting to explode, guys. Honestly, just, how can I say? As I said, I've seen price predictions $200 to $300 if this case settles. In the future, if all the major banks adopt the XRP cryptocurrency as a form of payment between interbanks around the globe, who knows where this price, it can just literally go to the moon. I've seen the price predictions of this just waiting to happen. So let me know in the comments below what you think about XRP. The news today, are you holding XRP? Are you going to be buying the dip? Let's talk about it in the comments, and obviously any other cryptos in the comments as well. Let me know. It'd be cool to talk about it, all right? Have a good weekend. Stay safe. And please be careful. Don't respond to the WhatsApp requests below in the comments. It's not me, and they're fake. It's not me. Please be careful, all right? Stay safe. Happy investing. Let's talk about XRP. All right? Peace. Bye.